Hi there, this is Ryan Legans from Keller and Williams Edge. Today, I'm at 1233 Coric Avenue. This detached bungalow has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and is located in Burlington just off of Brant Street. It's close to a lot of amenities, it's close to the highway, it has a big open field for children to go out and play or for you to walk your dog, and it's very well maintained and updated inside as well. So let's go and take a look. One of my favorite things about this property has to be this updated kitchen. Thank you for taking this tour of 1233 Coric Avenue with me. If you would like to book your own private tour, please give me a call. I look forward to hearing from you.